Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Mart. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best portable TV stands. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the North Bayou Universal Mobile TV Car TV Stand. This robust North Bayou portable TV stand comes with a base width of 29 inches and duration of 34 inches. It is the most reliable and heavy obligation stand for any flat or curved panel LED, plasma and LCD TV set. This is sized between 32 and 65 inches. This stand can preserve up to 100 pounds. The great part is that the TV height can be adjusted from 45 inches to 60 inches in 2-inch increments. The patterns are Visa compliant, making it smooth, a good way to set up your TV in this stand. Moreover, this stand helps AV conferencing as it comes with a video tray, adjustable and AV shelf for storing your add-ons. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Vivo Black Tripod TV Display Portable Floor Stand. To get most viewing delight, this Vivo Black Tripod stand functions in different 5 factors for top adjustment with tilting mechanic and clean ahead and backward adjustment. Moreover, the 3-touch factor tripod gadget adds to the stableness of this TV stand. This Vivo TV stand can keep up to 77 kilos of weight and TV length ranging among 32 and 55 inches. The wonderful function of top and depth adjustment allows you to enjoy your TV viewing experience without stressing your neck. Also, it is easy to bring together this stand, specifically because the hollow patterns are Visa compliant. At number 3, we have the Altra Furniture Ameriwood Home Galaxy 50-inch TV stand. This futuristic styled compact transportable TV stand is perfect for your 50-inch TV which you are not able to match into your small dwelling vicinity. It can take up to 70 pounds of weight and its vertical space will permit you to experience your TV viewing experience. This stand requires a minimum time for assembly and can be placed in dorms, family rooms, and bedrooms. It also features roomy and robust floating cabinets which could effortlessly accommodate your TV accessories. It additionally comes with space for accommodating bookshelf speakers in its specific design. At number 2, we have the Mount Factory Rolling TV Cart Mobile TV Stand. Mobility is one of the critical factors of a portable TV stand, and that's what is guaranteed on this Mount Factory Rolling TV Cart Mobile TV Stand. This compact stand prevents cluttering in your property, and its well-known match Visa mounting gadget is strong, sufficient to hold up to 65-inch TV units. The stand features components shelved to deal with accessories inclusive of gaming stations and DVD players. With a one-piece steel base, this durable stand is good for any TV, and it can preserve up to 100 kilos without toppling over. The sturdy caster wheels make it easy to relocate this stand without breaking a sweat. And finally, at number 1, we have the Kanto NTM65PL Mobile TV Stand. This transportable TV stand by Kanto gives each assistant protection to a TV set sized among 37 and 65 inches. The strong 2-inch wheels and a durable base enhance the mobility of this unit. You can pass the stand even if loaded with a TV set without annoying about its protection. Despite its easy and fashionable layout, this stand has come with a durability that lasts for years. The frame is made from pinnacle grade powder covered metallic and it is able to support up to 100 kilos of weight. The stand is likewise corrosion and rust resistant, making it best for the office and domestic use. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this portable TV stands, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.